Hi there, and thank you for visiting Monkey Quiz. Are you prepared for today's challenge with Coco the monkey? Today's challenge involves identifying the special animal-themed emoji, among the others. Coco would like to express her gratitude to all of the viewers who have left comments on our videos. These lucky viewers happily shared their names and favorite candy, and we give them a shout-out in today's video. If you want to be called out by Coco, please actively interact with Monkey Quiz's videos. If you're eager to begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling quizzes. Okay, let's play! Can you spot the odd puppy emoji? Great start! The odd puppy is right here. Which cat is different from the rest? It's this one here. Spot the emoji that doesn't match the others. You've spotted the odd one out. Can you find the raccoon among these cats? The raccoon is right here. Gift 1, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Gift 2, comment on your favorite animal. Look at this picture and find the panda. This is the panda. Which one sticks out? The odd emoji is placed in the 4th row. Can you spot one out? The odd emoji is placed in the 3rd row. Can you guess the hidden animal? It's a penguin! Can you find the polar bear? The polar bear is here. Find the emoji that stands out from the rest. Great eyes! It's this one. Which emoji is not like the others? Take a close look. The odd one appears in the second row. Can you locate the disguised animal? It's an elephant! Which one sticks out? Find the odd elephant. The odd elephant is located here. Do you have any ideas? That's right, it's a dolphin. Look closely. Which emoji doesn't belong? You've spotted it! Can you find the unique fox in this group? This one is the mismatched one. Can you find the cat? It's right here! Which orangutan emoji looks different? Find the odd one. The odd one is placed in the first row. Remember all of the emojis. Where is the panda? The panda emoji is located in the number 3 position. There is one mismatched emoji. Can you identify it? Here's the mismatched one. Can you guess the hidden animal? Look at these emojis and pick the odd one out. The odd lion is placed in the 5th row. Which horse emoji does not match? The odd horse emoji is here. Can you identify this animal? You guessed it right, parrot. Can you identify the parrot that does not match? You found it! There's one cow that's not like the others. Can you find it? This one does not match the rest. Can you find the parrot in this picture? It's right here! Pick out the different emojis from this group. Right there! You found it! Which monkey breaks the pattern? Find it now! The odd one is located in the third row. Look for the odd emoji out. Which one is it? Exactly right. It's right here. Do you see the concealed animal? It's a bison! Can you find the bison that's different? The odd bison emoji is placed in the first row. Can you detect the odd emoji in this sequence? You got it! Can you remember the name of this animal? You got it right! It's tiger! Check these emojis and tell us which one is the odd one. That's right! Which emoji is breaking the pattern? Can you identify it? Here is the mismatched one. Can you find the frog in this picture? It's right here! Find the mismatched emoji in this lineup. The odd emoji appears in the second row. One of these emojis is not like the others. Can you spot it? Well done! The odd one is located here. Can you spot the odd one out? The odd emoji is placed in the third row. Can you guess the hidden animal? Giraffe! Where's the odd giraffe emoji? Good answer! This one is different from the rest. Can you find the different camel emoji? The odd camel emoji is here. What about this? Great! It's an eagle. Which eagle emoji is not like the others? This is the mismatched emoji. Identify the odd owl in this set of emojis. You found the odd one out. Can you find the lion in this picture? It's right here. Which emoji doesn't fit with the rest? The odd emoji is right here. Try to memorize where each emoji is positioned. Where is the hamster? The notebook emoji is located in the number 4 position. Spot the mismatched emoji in this group. You nailed it! Can you identify the hidden animal? Do you see the odd emoji here? Point it out. The odd emoji is located here. Which emoji doesn't match? Find the odd one out. This emoji doesn't match the others. What animal is this? Kangaroo! Can you find the kangaroo emoji that stands out? The odd kangaroo emoji is in the last row. Determine which emoji is not like the others. Excellent observation! Here are the different emojis. Which dinosaur emoji breaks the pattern here? The distinct emoji is in this pattern. Which one is unique? Indeed, this one stands out from the rest. Can you see the hidden animal? It's a snail! Can you find the different emoji? The odd emoji is here. Thank you for participating in the puzzle challenge on the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. You can click on the video currently displayed on the right or the left side of the screen. Join additional new challenges and become the winner. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun.